In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create custom roster in NBA 2K26. It's actually really simple. Go over to main menu, then scroll down and select features. From there, choose create roster. You'll see a few options. You can start from a modern roster, pick a classic era, or even download one that someone else has uploaded. But if you wanna make your own, just pick the official 2K roster and select edit roster. Once you are in, you can change pretty much anything, edit players' names, vitals, attribute, accessories, or even their appearance. You can also import another player's build, like bringing LeBron's stats over to another player and completely customize how your team looks and plays. If you wanna go deeper, you can also tweak rotations, coaching emphasis, staff roles, and assign plays to make the roster feel even more realistic or creative. When you are done editing, hit save roster, give it a name, and add a short description. After saving, you can either upload it online for others to use or just keep it local. To use your new roster, go back to play now, press L3 to load rosters, choose user created and open my files. You'll find your custom roster there ready to go. That's all it takes to make and use your own custom roster in NBA 2K26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.